Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sorento key fob battery. First, you will need one new CR 2032 coin cell battery. This small, round battery is commonly available. Begin by locating the small release button on your key fob, usually on the side or bottom. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency mechanical key. This key will be helpful for the next step. Now, with the emergency key removed, look for a small slot where the key was housed or along the seam of the fob. Insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage any internal components as you open it. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR 2032 battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently remove the old battery. You might use a small screwdriver to carefully lift it out if it's snug. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive, or plus, side is facing upwards. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Slide the emergency mechanical key back into its designated slot. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons near your Kia Sorento to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.